It's been 2 years since Toyota offered the Land Cruiser in North America, but the potent off-roader is bound to return to our market. Shoppers shouldn't look for the Land Cruiser 300 series that came out in 2021, as reports indicate it will be the Land Cruiser Prado that will arrive in the new world. Set to premiere in 2024, which would likely make it a 2025 model by the time it gets its US visa, the all-new Toyota Land Cruiser Prado will share many components with the latest Lexus GX. In fact, it will be based on the same TNGA-F architecture, which will also tie it to the LX, as well as the Toyota Land Cruiser 300, Tundra, and Sequoia. In case you forgot, utilizing the TNGA-F underpinnings will make the new Toyota Land Cruiser Prado a body-on-frame SUV. This means that it will be able to tackle some steep slopes and muddy trails with the right tires on its feet, aided by what should be a low-range gearbox, dedicated driving modes, and a few other things. Different suspensions, steel bumpers, winches, snorkels, trail lights, underbody protection, and so on should become available for it from various tuners not long after it breaks cover. We don't know what will power it, but we suspect the twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6 engine from the latest Lexus GX might be a good contender. It produces 349 HP, 354 PS, 260 kilowatts, and 479 pound-feet, 650 Newton-meters of torque on its more premium sibling, and if it ends up under the hood of the new Land Cruiser Prado, chances are it will either retain the output and thrust or be slightly detuned. The electrified V6 powering the Sequoia is another lump that might make its way to the upcoming SUV, and some say a diesel could be readied for overseas markets, though it has yet to be confirmed. Regardless of the engine, all versions will get a 10-speed automatic transmission channeling the thrust to the four-wheel drive system. Our vigilant spy photographers should spot the first fully camouflaged prototypes of the vehicle in the open in the near future, and that's when we will find out what it looks like. For now, however, our friends at Kalesa have tried to decipher the design using a good dose of CGI on the body of the new Lexus GX. Compared to its more premium sibling, the new Land Cruiser Prado was imagined with a new face that sports a more traditional grille, different headlamps, chunkier rubber wrapped around the new wheels, vertical taillights on each side of the identical tailgate, Toyota emblems all around, and a few other bits and bobs. To some extent, the real thing shouldn't be that different, but it will be a while until we find out what it will look like.